COVID and all of its variant friends can add more anxiety and stress to an already highly stressful time of year. Again. Sadly, this holiday season may feel very similar to last year's because of the pandemic. Victoria De Leon doing double duty tonight. I mean, this hits. You're right. Feeling it again when we felt it last year. You got some guidance today from a mental health expert.
Yeah, I mean, it's really annoying, but she says this is probably where hopelessness can start to sink in for some people. And I know that's kind of true for me, but it's tough to spend the holidays for this second year in a row having to think about a now more contagious virus. And there are plenty of us who might not be spending this time with the people we want to be spending it with. But Dr. Sheryl Ziegler says changing your perspective on things could maybe help.
Accept that good enough might be great this year. And, you know, whatever tradition maybe you can't do or whoever can't be there, make the best of what you've got. Practicing gratitude and practicing the whole good enough and not perfect is incredibly important right now.
I did that last week and it helps. So at the end of the day, we all just want to feel connected to people, especially this time of year. So in the spirit of making the best of what you have, remind yourself that any little connection you can have with the people you want to be spending it with is worth it. That could be a FaceTime, a phone call. Maybe you can see your loved ones for a couple of hours instead of an entire weekend.
Don't say, well, if I can't see them or I can't spend the whole week with them or, you know, a couple days with them, we should just play it safe. Probably not actually a great plan. You want to connect as much as you can with people. So that's the very first and top piece of advice that I would have.
And she also recommends that people focus on what you can control instead of what you can't. But if you're like me, that's really tough to do. So take some work.
I like the good enough might be the new great. That reminds me of my cooking, but good enough sounds good enough for this holiday season.
We'll probably all be a little more happier. So let's give it a try, even though it might be hard.
Well, happy holidays, Victoria.